Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. For today's 13 Days of Halloween, I am doing one of the older Jokers, and this is another look that I'm adding on top of the makeup I wore today. I did add some purple and green eyeshadow to my other eye, and I'm just doing half of my face, so now I'm taking white paint and just placing it all over the half that I'm doing. Next, I'm taking a black eyeliner and I'm going to make all of my outlines. First, I'm starting down the half of my face, just outlining where I started the white, and it doesn't have to be perfect. It's the Joker, so I'm just doing it kind of messy. Now I'm starting on the most difficult part of the look, or at least it was for me, the mouth. I'm starting off with a red paint to outline it for the lips. Using the black paint, I'm taking a very small brush and outlining the top and bottom of the red. So one thing I learned about myself doing all of these Halloween looks is I cannot draw teeth. I think it would be a lot easier on someone else, but this one was pretty difficult for me, not gonna lie, especially since it's on the side of my face, especially towards the back. It was very difficult, so get ready to see me struggling. I went ahead and drew out all the teeth with the yellow paint, and now I'm taking a brown paint and outlining the teeth to try and define them a little bit more. And this is me laughing at myself at how horrible these teeth look. Thankfully, it's the Joker, and like I said, it can be messy and crazy, so that's what I'm going with. Now I'm just taking that same brown paint and trying to add a little bit of shading and just trying to make them look a little bit more like teeth. I went ahead and did the gums off camera because it was a pretty small space, so I had to get up close to the mirror, but I just took a peachy paint and placed it in between the teeth and the lips. Now I'm using a black paint and just going over any lines that I may have messed up. I also added a little bit more shading to the back, and then I'm just going to finish up the lines on my face. So I finally gave up on the teeth after making them worse, but thankfully my husband helped me out and he made them a little bit more defined. So the better looking teeth you see in the intro and outro, I have to give him credit for. But now I'm just taking some green face paint and placing it around the edges of my hair, and that will complete this look. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss my other Halloween looks. But thank you so much for watching, and I will see y'all in my next video.